Welcome to Erase Estate. Uh, Good afternoon, friends. Today we see that differentiation. Actually, what is the differentiation? What is the use of differentiation? What is the weightage in our first year of marks? So we'll see all the cases. First, we'll see the formulae. Suppose to differentiation, how will you change that? How to quickly change the mathematical functions? We'll see that. So first formula is supposed to d by dx of of x power n equal to n into x power n minus. So how to use this one? We see explain briefly. So the differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. For example, d by dx of x power 3. How to change? Just comparison d by dx of x to the power n is 3. So n into x power n minus 1. So 3 into x power 3 minus 1. So simplify it. 3 into x power 3 minus 1 is 2 only. So 3x square is the answer. So how to change that? X cube converted to 3x power 2. So same way continuously we can apply. Somewhere you got a 0. So how to get 0? How to apply this one? D by dx of again apply the differentiation. So carefully observe here. It's very important thing is there. Here constant there, constant not the change. You can't able to change the differentiation. Again, right like this here. Constant right separate. D by dx of x square. So 3 into again x square can apply the formula. D by dx of x power n. X power n is what? N into x power n minus. So this is the formula. Can apply here 2 into x power 2 minus 1. So 3 2s are 6 x power 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So final answer is 6. Suppose to again apply the formula same. Again apply the formula d by dx of 6x. Here constant 6 there. 6 right here. D by dx of x. D by dx of x is what? Just 1 only. So 6 into 1 that is equal to 6. We supposed to solve again apply the d by dx of constant 6. Any constant in the differentiation you got a 0. So in these solutions you got some points. What are the points once verified? Your any constant d by dx of in differentiation d by dx of any constant or in a differentiation when apply the differentiation on the constant you got a 0. So write one point here d by dx of any constant 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 is 0. Suppose to why how to know that whether it is a constant or not? See here, we'll write that d by dx. D by dx means differentiation with respect to x. Suppose to a b there. This is constant or not? These are very important points here. So x is not there. This differentiation with respect to x is not there in the given equation. This is like a constant. Suppose to d by dx of d by dy of 2 into y is a constant or variable. Actually, what is a constant? What is a variable? Constant is fixed value. Variable is change. Suppose to x, y. Maybe values are changed. Some questions x you got something and y you got something. But fixed value is 2 is 2, 3 is 3. That's called a fixed values. That's called a constant. So here d by dy means differentiation with respect to y and y is there in the given equation. This is not a constant. 2 into d by dy of y. That is a differentiation. Dy differentiation is what? 2 into dy by dy. It's getting 1. Or you can apply the x power n formula also. 1 into here power 1 there na. 1 into y to the power 1 minus 1. Here y minus y to the power 1 minus 1 means y to the power 0. Y to the power 0 is what? Anything, any number to the power 0 is called 1 only. Here one point you got anything, any value you got power 0, that is equal to 1. So d by dx of any number is any number or any constant is called 0. Two important points. And one more, differentiate with respect to x is here. That means what? We verify in the given equation x is given or not. Third point. Okay, how to read it here? This is what is the meaning of d by dx? Differentiation with respect to dx. Differentiation with respect to x only. Okay. Next, here one point, d by dx of any constant or differentiation with respect to any constant you got a 0. Any number to the power 0 there you got 1 only, that is equal to 1. And we'll verify whether a constant or not. Given value it's a constant, d by dx of something value is given, that is constant or not, we'll check it. Differentiation with respect to which variable, x or y, that is in given equation or not. Okay, we'll decide that is constant. Then next one, next point, d by dx of 3x square there. So any constant there, just write separate like this. Then variable only differentiated, because differentiation with respect to x is here, then differentiate will differentiate x only. So x square there. You can apply the formula d by dx of x square is n is 2 there. So that's why 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. So these two are again multiplied. These two are again multiplied. Okay. Next. Here generally direct apply the nth term. This is like a x power n, and here write here so d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, and d by dx of x is 1 only. D by dx of any constant equal to 0. Okay, 3 points you got. And one more point is there, that's a general point. X power or anything to the power, anything to the power 0 got 1 only. Okay. Next, how to get the questions here, how to solve the questions depends on x power n, d by dx of x power n questions. Here, x square plus 13 x power 5 plus x to the power root x. Okay, how to differentiate this one? We'll see here. d by dx of how to write this? Observe that how to write the differentiation formation. Differentiation formation. D by dx of this whole thing first. D by dx of x square plus 13x to the power 5 plus root x. So then write separate differentiation. This into this. D by dx of x square plus d into dx of 13 x power 5 plus d by dx of root x. Root x means x power 1 by 2. Just write directly. So apply the formula. What is the formula here? d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. You apply this formula. So what is that? d by dx of x power 2. So 2 into x power 2 minus 1 according to formula. plus 13 is constant. 13 is constant. X power 5. D by dx of x to the power 5 is 5 into x power y minus 1 plus x to the power 1 by 2. This is like treated as a n. N means 1 by 2. The formula is n into x power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So simplify. 2 into x power 2 minus 1 is 1 only. Plus 13 5 is 65. X power 4 plus 1 by 2 into x power LCM apply. LCM is 2, 1 minus 2. So next simplification, 2x 65 x to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So 2x plus 65 x to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 into x to the power minus 1 by 2 is what? Minus there, you can write it as x power 1 by x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2x. Can substitute it here into 1 by x. Is that okay? Then go for next formula. Go for the next formula is what very interesting formula. d by dx of e power x. That is equal to e power x only. Simple. But how to use the method is important. Simple e power x is given. Just write that e power x only. But the question is like e power x, e power some 3x given. How to solve this one? Suppose to d by dx of e power minus x given. How to solve this? Suppose to d by dx of e power root x given. How to solve? We'll see that. So simple logic, very important logic is here. How to use that? D by dx of differentiation with respect to what's the meaning of this one? Already I said d by dx of means differentiation with respect to x of e to the power 3x means only ex only. D by dx of ex is e power x only or ex only. Here also same thing. Here x. In place of x, 3x there. The formula in place of x, here 3x there, same right? X means here 3x. But internal differentiation applied here, very important thing is here. Internal differentiation needed. How to apply the internal differentiation? So many people got a wrong answer. That is a mistake. You're not able to apply the internal differentiation, you got a wrong answer. So where will apply the internal differentiation also very, very important. Like this here, d by dx of e power x equal to e power x is very nice. But here 3x there. So when apply the internal differentiation, got a 3x. Next simplify. E power 3x into 3 is constant dx by dx. This already got, we'll see the formula 1 only. So this complete term become 1. 1 into 3, 3 only. 3 into e power 3x is the answer. What is internal differentiation? Internal differentiation is very, very important. Where you will apply, where you will get that internal differentiation. So many questions are there. So very 7 mark question in the on the differentiation, you got very decidable. You got the answer or not. So that's why carefully about the internal differentiation. This one very simple thing, but very interesting. D by dx of e power minus x. D by dx of e power x is e power x only. But here in place of x is minus x there. So simply e power minus x. Here internal differentiation needed or no needed? Needed here because here minus there. So simply apply that d by dx of minus 1. minus x, not 1, minus x. So differentiation applied e power minus x into d by dx. Differentiation with respect to the x of x. So but minus there, right? D by dx of minus d by dx of x. D by dx will become 1 only. So e power minus x into minus 1. So that is equal to minus e power minus x. That is the final answer. You don't know the internal differentiation, you can't apply properly the internal differentiation, you don't get the correct answer anywhere. Okay, then go for next one. So d by dx of e power root x. Root x means to the power 1 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, fine, just a minute. X to the power 1 by, that is equal to what? According to the formula, d by dx of e power x is e power x only, but x, in place of x, root x is given. So same as it is replaced like that, or x to the power 1 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2. Here, to the power x power is not only x, not like it now given in the formula, but here x power 1 by 2. So internal differentiation needed to d by dx of x to the power 1 by. So in the differentiation, no need to apply every time n into x power n minus 1 formula. Just directly remember d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Directly remember. This one correct or not, verify once. D by dx of x to the power 1 by 2. You can apply the formula n into n is 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 into x to the power minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means 1 by x power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 means root x. So this is called 1 by 2 into root x. So directly remember this one. This is also one of the formula. One of the formula. So d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 into root x. So directly substituted here in our question. E power root x into d by dx of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 into root x. So the answer is e power root x by 2 into root x. This is the answer. So how to apply the internal differentiation is very very important. Once I will explain that clearly. This question, d by dx of e power 3x. How to solve depends on this. D by dx of e power x is e power x only. So d by dx of e power 3x. In place of x, what is given? In place of x, 3x is given. So simply e power 3x first. According to this one, e power x means e power 3x is here. But here normally x is given, no need to apply the internal differentiation. So here 3x there. Again d by dx of 3x applied. 3 constant, right, separated. D by dx of x. D by dx of x is 1. Any value according to the chair formula, here x there, here x given, directly can apply the formula. But if something is given, can apply the internal differentiation. You must apply the internal differentiation. You must be follow this one. Okay, then you got 3 into e power 3x. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into e power x. Here also same thing, negative there. Negative also can apply the internal differentiation. That's why I explained this one. We don't know the proper way of internal differentiation. You not get the proper answer in the entire differentiation concept. Almost at 24 marks are there in the board exam. So we lost it. We got wrong answers anyway. Okay, then go for next formula. d by dx of log x. d by dx of log x is simply 1 by x. Simply 1 by x. But what about the internal differentiation? I mainly explain about the internal differentiation. So many students got a problem with that only. That's why especially for internal differentiation only. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay, this is a base formula is very nice and simple. Okay, fine. Next, suppose to I give like this. D by dx of log of x. What is that? Suppose to I give like this. So many questions are like this here. So how to simplify? So simple d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Here x there, here x there. But here 5x there. So simple. 1 by d by dx differentiation with respect to x. Here x term there. That's why it's not a constant. We'll fix it. In the beginning, we will discuss that this one. So here 5x. And internal differentiation about that 5x. Internal differentiation. Simplify 1 by 5x into 5 into dx by dx. This called 1 only. 5 into 1, 5. 5 by 5x. So 5 cancel. Then answer is 1 by x finally. Okay. So what we can solve like this? The answer is 1 something 1 by x or not. We don't know exactly. Okay. Then here apply internal differentiation. 1 by d by dx of log x, log e to the power 2x means 1 by e to the power 2x into d by dx of internal differentiation for e power 2x, e to the power 2x. So 1 by e to the power 2x into e to the power 2x into the again apply the internal differentiation for 2x only. D by dx of 2x. Carefully observe here. E power 2x one formula there. D by dx of e power x is e power x only. Again, here 2x there. For that, internal differentiation apply. 2 e power 2x into 2 into d by dx of here 1. So this one cancel. Only 2 is the point. But so many calculations are there. Here apply the 2 times apply the internal differentiation here. D by dx of simply log d by dx of log e to the power 2x is given. In place of x, e power 2x is given. So that's why log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by x means e power 2x into d by dx of internal differentiation for e power 2x. E power 2x differentiation is what? E power 2x only. And here in place of x 2x there, that in that case again apply the internal differentiation for 2x. Okay. Next 2x differentiation is 2 only. 2 into d by dx of x is 1 only. So this one cancel e power 2x and e power 2x. So final answer is so many like one more question apply. D by dx of log of minus x power 1. So how to simplify this one? Simply in place of x is minus x power 5 and d by dx of x power minus x to the power simplify minus 1 by minus x to the power 5 into so minus there and minus is right before minus d by dx of x power 5. So my 1 by minus of x power 5 into minus 5x power 4 because you can apply the formula since d by dx of x to the power n equal to n into x power n minus. So apply the formula 5 into x power 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, we got the answer like this here. Any simplification? Minus into minus plus 1 5 is 5 x power 4 by x power 5. So that is equal to what? 5 by x. Because you have 4 here, 1 left. Simplify. So how to get the answer? 5 by x only. So d by dx of log of minus x to the power 5 is 5 by x. We don't know about the internet differentiation, we can't get this answer. That's a something different answer we got. Okay, next sum. Differentiation formula there. See that d by dx of u plus or minus b, that is equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. So for example, for this question, this formula, the example is how to use this one. D by dx of x power 3 plus 9 x to the power minus 10 plus 12 root or cube root x. Or in the middle of one, take the negative. Like that you can apply. So simply t is separated. Here separated now, like this, from here to here, here to here. So d by dx of all separated x cube, d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of 9 x to the power minus 10 minus d by dx of 12 cube the root of x. Simple. So use the formula like what? D by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Can use this formula. D by dx of first one is what? First one is x cube, 3x square. 3x square, 9 there into minus 10 into x power minus 11 minus 12 into x power 1 by 3. X power 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 into x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. Can simplify 3x square minus 90 plus 9 into minus 9 10 is minus 90 into x power minus 11 minus 4 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 into x to the power LCM applied here 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 minus 3 by 3. So 3x square minus 90x to the power minus 1 minus 4x to the power minus 2 by. So this is the answer. So next formula is d by dx of uv. uv. How to apply uv? u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So how to use this formula? We'll see the one example in this. D by dx of e power x log x. E power x log x. We'll apply e power x log x square. So one is u, another one is v. You can assume that. So du into e power x into d by dx of log x square plus v. V is log x square d by dx of e power x. So internal differentiation is there. Carefully about that. So, okay. Danger is you're supposed to forget the internal differentiation. You got a wrong answer anyway. Okay. Careful about that. E power x is e power x. D by dx of like a log x. But here x place x square is given. So 1 by x square. Here internal differentiation applied. Put the star one. D by dx of internal differentiation of x square. Then plus log of x square into d by dx of e power x is e power x only. No need of internal differentiation. If supposed to apply the internal differentiation is there actually, here also there. But d by dx of internal differentiation of x there, we got 1 only. 1 into e power x is e power x only. There is no change of change. There is no change here. That's why no need to apply separately. X power something is there, something value is there, where power is 1 only, just to stop the internal differentiation. Here, square there, that's why you can apply the internal differentiation. Okay. Then d by dx of e power x into 1 by x square, d by dx of x square is 2x. According to the formula. Not this formula, x power n formula, d by dx of x power n formula. Plus log of x square into e power x. So what is that? Final answer. X cancel. 2 into e power x by x plus e power x log x. This is the next one. D by dx of UVW. That is equal to what? UVW. Three terms are given. Three terms are given. UV dw by dx plus uw dv by dx. One is differentiation, remaining two are no need to apply the differentiation. Plus vw du by dx. So, for example, d by dx of x power 6 e power minus x log of root x. All are needed internal differentiation. Suppose to these are u, v, w. Can assume that. So u, v first stop no need to apply, right? Separated e power minus x into d by dx of log root x plus vw rest position. Vw is uw, uw rest. U is x power 6, w is log root x. Log root x. D by dx of v is e power minus x. Careful about the internal differentiation. Next, vw rest. Vw rest. E power minus x log root x. D by dx of x power 6. Simplify. X power 6 as it is. E power minus x as it is. D by dx of log x. Log x is 1 by x means root x. And again d by dx of x power 1 by 2 internal differentiation applied. Here internal differentiation applied, very important thing is here. Internal differentiation. This power is x power, simply I said where will apply the internal differentiation. X power you got 1. Okay. Till 1 you not stop. Compulsory apply the internal differentiation. If not the power as 1. D by dx differentiation with respect to x there. In our equation when apply the differentiation, the x power has become 1. Till that compulsory apply the internal differentiation. Okay. Here x power is not 1 now. To the power 1 by 2 there, that's why apply the internal differentiation. Okay. So already I said d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 into root x. Directly can substitute it. So next one, x power 6 into log root x. Here e power minus x into d by dx of minus x. Normally x to the power 1 and normal without any value, without any multiplication, without any negative value. It's not there. No need to apply. In that case, no need to apply the internal differentiation. But here minus x there. Compulsory apply the internal differentiation. Here plus e power minus x, this one log root x and d by dx of x power 6 means x to the power 5. So now simplify again. X to the power 6 into e power minus x into 1 by root x into 1 by d by dx of root x is directly substituted 2 into root x plus x power 6 log root x e power minus x. Here minus 1. Minus 1 into whole thing is here become minus only. Minus x power. Next, this one e power minus x log root x into 6 x to the power. So this is called what? X power 6 into e power minus x. Root x into root x is x only 1 by 2x minus x power 6x log this one root x e power minus x plus e power minus x log root x into 6x to the power. This is the final answer. Okay, then go for next one. D by dx of u by b. This is very important formula. Try to remember. Then how to write the formula? That's very important. First start with v only. You must start with v only. V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. All divided by this. Very important formula. And write the same as it is only. First start with v only. Something is there, you are v, whatever the difference, not like that. You must start with v only. Okay. So the question example is d by dx of log x by e power x. Simple. Okay. Simple. This is called u, log x called u, e power x called v. So v into means e power x into d by dx of u means log x minus u means log x means log x d by dx of v is e power x whole divided by e power x wholes. So simplify, apply the formula and simplify it. So equal to e power x is as it is, d by dx of log x is 1 by x minus log x into d by dx of e power x is e power x only by e power x. So simply this is the answer. Simple answer. Okay. Then we'll see that d by dx of x by log x. Simply this is u, this is v. V into log x into d by dx of x minus u into x into d by dx of log x by v square. V square means log x whole square. Simplify that. Log x into 1 minus x into log x is 1 by x by log x whole square. Simply log x into 1 is log x only. X cancel minus 1 by log x whole square. This is the final answer. Okay. If you like the video, if you interested the video, please like, share and subscribe. Full course in description. App link is there. Please follow that. Thank you.